Crypto isn't just online anymore. It's building stuff in real life. That's called DePIN, short for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. Here's what it really means. Anyone can help build real-world things, like internet, maps, or weather stations, and get paid in crypto for it. For example, set up a Wi-Fi hotspot? Get tokens. Drive around with a dashcam? Get tokens. Install a weather sensor? Get tokens. Instead of big tech companies doing it all, regular people like you can build it and earn. It's like Uber, but owned by the drivers. Google Maps, but made by drivers. Cloud storage, but run by the crowd. That's DePIN. Real-world tools, crypto rewards, built by people, not corporations. It's just getting started, but it's growing fast. Would you join a DePIN project to earn crypto? Let us know.